Hi, so till now we have seen what our junior project 4 and in this video we are going to see what our junior project 5. So all the code has been done for us. Repeat this code, every code has been done for us. So we just need to set the points. So first we have to one text with forward. So we have to go to games or score and then take show title screen, and then if you want to put any title then you can put. But I'm not putting it. And then we take this block away and go to variables and then take the point and put it here. Okay. So now we go to variables again and then take a set point q. So first the text should be the point. So we have to set the points. So when the actor one touches red fireball, that is little bird. When it touches the red fireball, we have to minus the score. So we go to math and then take this one block and then put minus inside. And now here we take this one and then go to games of score and then put this here. And then score minus 1. And then when the actor one touches a pie, we have to show the title screen. The same code. We have to repeat the same code, just changing this to the plus. So go to the underscore, take the show title screen, and then take this out, and then put points inside it, and then go to variables. Take the set point to and go to math, and then take this out, and then here we put score, and then plus 1, and the code is finished. So we just align these. Just align these. Okay. And that's it. We have completed the project 5. So hope this video was useful to you, and if yes, like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my uploads. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.